How to remove all poke in Facebook. So if you want to remove any pokes on your Facebook, then first open up your Facebook application. Go for the upper right, which has that three bat icon. Scroll all the way down, go for the settings and privacy and tap on settings. And here, if you scroll down, you will have activity log. Tap on activity log, and here you will have your Facebook activity. Tap on that and scroll all the way down, and here you will have an option of other activity. Tap on manage other activity, and here you will have poke option, right? So here on the first you can see that I have poked a person. So if you want to remove all the poke, then go for the right side, which has that three dots, and once you tap on the three dots, you will have delete option. Tap on delete, and once you've deleted, your poke will be removed on Facebook. That's it. That's how you can remove all poke in Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.